If your hair struggles in summer as much as you do, these hairstyles will save you. Simple, cute, and aesthetic. Let's get into it. 1. Take some hair at the back and make a loose ponytail, but don't pull it all the way through. Leave it halfway, roll it up a bit, and clip it with a claw clip. That's it. Cute, quick, and perfect for summer. 2. Make a low ponytail, and on the last tie, pull the hair only halfway to make a soft bun. Now tuck the loose ends inward and clip it with a claw. It looks clean, cute, and done in under a minute. 3. Take out 2 front sections. Braid one side loosely and pull on each strand to give it a soft, ropey texture. Wrap it around your ponytail. Do the same on the other side. Bring both braids to the back and secure them with the pony. Add a cute clip to finish the look. 4. Part your hair in 2. On one side, make a low ponytail and flip it inward once. Then keep adding elastics down the length, gently pulling to make bubbles. Repeat on the other side, and you're done. 5. Leave some curls at the front, make a low pony, and flip it halfway inward. Tuck the rest of the hair into the loop and clip it with a claw. Quick, cute, and perfect for curls. 6. Part your hair, gather some from the crown and tie it just below the ear. Apply gel to smooth that section. Now, leave a bit of hair at the front and make mini braids on both sides. At the back, make 2 low ponytails, then combine and secure them on one side. Flip the hair inward for volume, and you're done. 7. If you have short hair, just gather some from the back, not all. Roll it up gently and secure it right there with a claw clip. Quick, simple, and super cute for short hair. 8. Part your hair and start a braid from the front, adding hair along the way. At the end, tie it into a ponytail. Then, section it with rubber bands, flip each for a bubble look, and add tiny ribbons. Repeat on the other side for a magical style. 9. Make a low ponytail, loosen it, and flip it inward halfway. Then gather the top hair and secure everything with a pretty flower claw clip, so cute and effortless. 10. For short hair, leave some strands at the front, then make 2 ponytails at the back. Twist each into a mini bun using rubber bands and secure with cute mini clips, perfect for a playful look. 11. Make a ponytail at the back, then add bubble sections by tying rubber bands with space in between. Gently loosen each for volume, and finish with a cute claw clip at the top for a soft, stylish look. 12. Part your hair, leaving a bit at the front. On one side, gather a section into a ponytail and flip it inward. Keep flipping and loosening it slightly to create a fishtail-like effect. Repeat the same on the other side for a cute, chic look. 13. Gather some wavy hair at the back and flip it inward. From the front, make mini braids on both sides, loosen them, and wrap around the inward pony. Twist into a mini bun and secure with a claw clip. Let the rest flow freely for a dreamy vibe. 14. Place a scarf at the front, pin both sides with hairpins, bring a little scarf forward on the head, then tie it at the back for a cute chic look. 15. Part sections and make a little pony at the back using just the top hair. Braid this pony, and right beneath it, create a mini braid. Repeat on the other side for a stylish layered look. And that's it. Stay cute, stay cool and enjoy your summers. Bye.